Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Where's your battery? Really? Is there where I can see it? Wow, I didn't realize it was right. So you don't have anything in the trunk?
No, sir.
Okay.
I was able to bring this tent with me in the trunk.
Yeah.
Pack all my stuff.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Nice. Woo. So, what's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Triston, there's 6 DC XL12s on a Terrams MD 12K at half. The doors, there's 6 FX X Scar 6.5s. Those are ran off of a Wolfram 05K.
Who built the box?
I built it, me and a friend of mine over there. Drew Jones design, 4th order, tuned to 44 hertz.
Really nice. You built really into the whole vehicle.
Yes, sir.
That's a lot of work. That did good. Nice. So you had a bracing, you took it out, or you
put a steel roof in. That was put there just in case I needed it.
Okay.
It's pretty solid without
yes, sir.
it. So.
All right. Awesome. I really like it. And it's cool that you actually can watch your sub excursion because of the way the 4th order is.
Right.
And see where your limit is, and that 1 amp's pushing some power. That's really good.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
1 amp pushing all 6 of those things. Really nice.
Yes, sir.
That sounds pretty good. That's like a 57, 58 or so. What's your meter score on that?
I don't have a recent windshield score, but in the kick, the last time I metered it was a 159.8.
Awesome. All right.
Right there.
Nice job, man. Appreciate the demo, man. I'm gonna go look at the amps and all in the back.
Yes, sir.
You pulled some snot out my nose. That's when you know you're getting loud, man.
Thanks, man.
I'd love to hear it.
And all I really wanted was someone to give a little fuck. But I waited there forever and nobody even looked up. Relax, we're about to get rustified. get rustified.
Awesome job. I really like it. And it's cool that you actually can watch your sub excursion because of the way the fourth order is.
Right.
And see where your limit is, and that 1 amp's pushing some power. That's really good.
Yeah, man, thanks.
1 amp pushing all 6 of those things. Really nice.